BMW recall. One Motorcycle, Zero Excuses for Bad Signaling BMW, has issued a voluntary recall for exactly one 2026 S1 1000RR motorcycle due to a faulty turn signal switch. This is not a typo. The issue affects a single unit, making it one of the smallest recalls in automotive history. The problem? A switch that cancels itself. The issue stems from a manufacturing defect at a supplier, Sensata Technologies Holland BV. The left side combination switch on the motorcycle has a reset button that can unintentionally activate at the same time the rider tries to signal a turn. This causes the turn signal to activate and then immediately cancel, creating a double signal effect. Why this matters? Riders might think they've signaled when they haven't, increasing the risk of collisions. Physical switches are reliable because they provide tactile feedback, letting riders confirm operation without looking. The malfunction undermines this confidence. How BMW found out the recall wasn't triggered by a customer complaint, but by BMW's own quality control. In January 2026, the company noticed an abnormally high failure rate in end-of-line functional tests at its motorcycle plant. Engineers investigated, reviewed supplier records, and halted deliveries of potentially affected bikes while testing continued. This shows how modern manufacturing oversight works. Rather than waiting for incidents, BMW identified the problem internally and traced it to faulty tooling at the supplier. The twist: no excuse left the most amusing part. The motorcycle in question hasn't been delivered yet. By the time it reaches the owner, the defective switch will already have been replaced. The new rider won't even have the classic excuse for not using a turn signal. BMW's proactive recall prevents the owner from ever having a legitimate reason to skip signaling. The recall is a reminder that even the most meticulous manufacturers aren't immune to small-scale defects. It also highlights how quality control can catch errors before they become safety hazards. This incident is unlikely to change driver behavior, but it does provide a rare example of a manufacturer taking extreme responsibility for a nearly non-existent problem.